welcome back to another LevelMaster video, and today we're joined with Jeff again to run through the different fixing hardware we have. So Jeff, what fixing hardware does LevelMaster offer?
As you can see, Lockie, there's a pretty good range of accessories available, really to match up with any LevelMaster product that you buy from us. So you can see here that we've got a range of tech screws. We've even got the driver bits to go along with those. We have a range of structural bolts as well. Coach screws for a range of different applications. For example, this one is the one that you would use to bolt your Mervat treads up from the bottom. A range of coach bolts, particularly if you want to bolt your timber stair treads down, we've got those available. Also included in the range is anchor bolt, 160mm for use with bolting down our stumps in conjunction with the ChemSet 101. We also have a range of claw bolts as well for bolting down your stair strings. And some structural bolts that are used with our dog clamps, etc. And then look, if you also want to order a masonry drill to drill your 12mm holes, we've also got those available as well. So I think, as you can see, there's a pretty extensive range of hardware available, and one of the main benefits for you guys is that you don't have to go and source this. We can supply it with the goods, and that's going to save you time.
Okay, well thanks for running us through those different fixing hardware options that LevelMaster offer.
Thanks, Lachlan.